And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and temperatures cool across the entire state of Texas, but we are the warmest spot. But keep in mind, with winds out of the north-northwest all day long, there are only cooler temperatures to our north. And with a lot of clouds, the sun is not going to be able to do much to warm us up. I think it's going to be kind of an equal balance, basically, where the sun is going to try to warm us, but cooler air is going to also be working in here. So that means the temperatures are basically going to stay the same throughout the day. In fact, it's possible as we get into the later afternoon, temperatures could really start to taper off. So kind of plan on mid to upper 60s in most locations and eventually falling into the lower 60s. And honestly, that's what it's going to feel like throughout the day, because it's going to be breezy all day long with gusts around 25 miles per hour. So plan on it feeling for a good chunk of the day like the low 60s out there. So that's what you should be dressing for. Still carry the umbrella with you today, especially if you're in Cameron and Willacy County. Notice 9 a.m. this morning, some isolated light showers and spots, but not everybody's seeing rain. And that's going to be the story throughout the day. A little bit better rain chances towards the coast. And I still wouldn't rule out a pocket of heavy rain, maybe right along the coast, places like Port Mansfield, South Padre Island, but anything farther inland than that, and it's looking like it's just going to be light rain. And check out Starr County. That's 1 o'clock this afternoon, 5 o'clock this afternoon. It looks like a good chunk of the day, though I can't rule out a stray shower make it to Starr County. It's going to be dry out there, but everybody is going to have cloudy skies. I do think the rain tapers off a little bit as we get into the evening hours, but unfortunately, we're still going to have the chance, yes, for a stray shower or two through the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. A couple showers here or there, still cloudy. I've had cloudy skies all day long tomorrow. In general, though, tomorrow's not looking as wet of a day. Even today, not a washout of a day. It's not going to rain all day by any means. But carry the umbrella with you. For as it stands right now, it's looking like a lot of tomorrow, there's not going to be much rain. And you probably, though you might want to carry the umbrella just to be on the safe side, it's looking largely dry with just an occasional stray shower here or there. Now, things are going to change on Wednesday. Our rain chances are going to go up because of this. Very strong Category 4 Hurricane Willa, and it's going to have, unfortunately, devastating impacts for the west coast of Mexico. Because this is, I know, basically a Michael-like storm, 155 mile per hour sustained winds, and we don't expect the intensity to change much as it approaches land. It may weaken a little bit, but it could still very well be a Category 4, strong Category 3 as it makes landfall. But look how the winds very quickly weaken, because it has to go all the way over Mexico, including the mountains. And so by the time it makes it to Texas, not worried about the wind. Now, yes, technically the valley's still in the cone, but the reason why we're not talking more about this is because this is actually looking like a fairly low impact system to us, because it looks like the system is going to get lopsided and a lot of the rain is going to fall on the northern side. So about the only thing we're going to have to watch over the next couple days is, does it take more of a southerly track or a northerly track? If it tracks up here, we could see very little rain. If it takes more of a southerly track, we'll see more rain, but still, even a southerly track with more of the rain on the northern side of this system, it's looking like a long shot to be worried about flooding rains here in the valley. So it's working out good. Most of the rain is going to stay to our north, where there could be a flash flood threat to our north, but no flash flood threat as it stands right now. 66 is going to be our high temperature today, a cloudy, breezy day with a 40% chance of catching some showers. So have that umbrella ready to go. It's going to be a breezy one. Gusts around 25 miles per hour, so probably feeling like the low 60s for a good chunk of the day. Cooling down to around 59 tonight. Cloudy, not a lot of rain, but a 20% chance of catching a shower during the overnight hours. Winds will come down a little bit, but not a lot. Tomorrow is looking like a less breezy day, but again, 3 more days with cloudy skies. And again, that rain chance goes up on Wednesday. But again, still going with just mainly scattered light showers at this point. We'll keep an eye on it. Forecast is subject to change, as we saw it change over the weekend. But right now, not too worried about Wednesday. On Thursday, it looks like the drier air comes in here. And yes, the sun will finally return. How about mostly sunny skies? Friday, Saturday, dry. Thursday through Sunday. And look at the temperatures going back to the mid-80s for the weekend.